What is diatomaceous earth? Diatomaceous earth, which is between 80 to 90% silica, is known as the grass of the sea and is made from the fossilized remains of microscopic shells created by one-celled plants called diatoms. Even though diatoms are microscopic, single-celled algae, they are the basic food of all higher aquatic life forms. Diatoms create a unique cell wall called a frustal, made of silica or hydrated silicon dioxide by extracting silica from the surrounding waters or weathering of sedimentary rocks in the ocean. Because they are composed of silica, which is insusceptible to diseases and viruses, diatom frustals remain well preserved over vast periods of time. The number of microscopic diatoms required to produce a rock of any thickness and weight is insurmountable. This is why some refer to it as fossil shell flour, which is a very fine powder because of its rich, dry concentrations of diatom fossils. So how do these accumulated dead algae shells provide any benefit? Diatomaceous earth does not get absorbed into the bloodstream because it's inorganic, yet still provides immense value as an internal cleanser and scrubber. Here's how. Everything diatomaceous earth does is either physical action or an electrical action. The diatom shells resemble a cylinder full of symmetrical cages shaped like a honeycomb. These honeycomb cylinders have a strong negative charge and naturally attract and bind to positively charged substances, such as free radicals, parasites, viruses, pesticides, heavy metals, E. coli, drug residues, and bacteria, allowing for safe elimination and removal by flushing through the urine and feces. This is what gives diatomaceous earth its natural anti-inflammatory capability. The crystalline cage structure makes for a perfect whole-body detoxifier. Diatomaceous earth passes all the way through the stomach, starting with the gastrointestinal tract and leaving through the colon, gently pulling and scrubbing the insides. This is why diatomaceous earth is nature's perfect internal cosmetic. It acts as an internal cleanser and scrubber, pulling many unwanted excess waste materials through the body, while effectively leaving the beneficial microorganisms. The naturally strong negative charge diatomaceous earth carries acts as a detoxifier in nature as well. That's why if you plan to supplement with diatomaceous earth, it must be cleansed of its cages and free of all environmental toxins and